If you are from a geospatial industry and if you work with open source technologies, then this is going to be really exciting for you. OSGeo Foundation hosts an event every single year known as FOSS4G, which stands for Free and Open Source Software for Geospatial. These events features talks, workshops, B2B networking event and lot of other fun activities so that people from across the globe can meet every single year and share their knowledge on open source GIS. And I'm really excited to announce that FOSS4G-Asia is going to happen in India in 2026 of January. And the cherry on the cake is that this event is going to happen in Nashik, which is also my hometown. We will have keynote speakers from across the world, and these are the people who are core contributors of softwares like QGIS, pygeoapi, GeoServer, etc. We are really excited and also working very hard to bring these talent to India so that we can listen from the people who have created these amazing technologies. During this event, we will have 2 full days of workshop where you can bring your laptop and sit and learn from the experts themselves. Then we will have 3 full days of talks where we will have multiple sessions going on at the same time, and you can understand what are the modern technologies and ways of doing geospatial. Apart from this, we are also going to have a lot of formal and informal events like GALA dinner, board game nights, B2B networking, introducing your business, etc. etc. This is going to be an incredible opportunity for you to meet with other geospatial folks. So doesn't matter even if you are a student or an employee or you own your own startup or even if you are a government employee. You will learn about geospatial and make good connections over here. To make this event a grand success, we need your help. So if you are interested into either attending this event or become a volunteer, or if you want to submit a talk or a workshop or a research paper, or if you or your organization is looking to provide sponsorship, please check out the link given in the description. Or you can just pause this video and scan this QR code. We are working very hard to make this event successful, and I believe just like me, you are also excited to bring FOSS4G in India. I would highly recommend you to please share this video so that other geospatial fellow members can also become part of our FOSS4G event and make this as a grand success. Thank you.